Hey guys, Sak here from Sakitech, and in today's video we have got the real life photos and images of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 and the Z Fold 8 Ultra direct from Samsung, leaked by Android headlines, and they do look quite amazing. Additionally, Samsung is going to bring two highly requested upgrades to the Fold 8 Ultra, which is nearly confirmed by various sources, so let's dive in and see exactly what is going on. So first and foremost, you can see the official marketing materials of the Z Fold 8 lineup as well as the Z Flip 8. In this photo, we can see the Fold 8 Ultra, the Fold 8, and the Z Flip 8 from various angles. Now, these are no longer renders. These are official marketing materials from Samsung. So this is exactly what these phones are going to look like. And right away, you can see there is a little change on the camera rings. They have inherited the matte camera rings from the S26 Ultra series, while last year's Fold 7 had a shiny finish around the camera rings. Anytime I see matte, I love it. Less shine means less scratches and less nasty reflections. The colors look much more vibrant on these official images than what we have seen in the renders. Here is the violet color for the Z Fold 8 Ultra and the purple color for the Z Fold 8 Wide. And one more thing, the camera bump is going to be slightly larger on these newer foldables due to the addition of the new, larger 50 megapixel ultra wide camera sensor. There's also this exclusive new pistachio color for the Z Fold 8 Wide that was leaked, and this color will be available on Samsung.com exclusively on the day of the pre-order, which will be July the 22nd. By the way, if you are going to pre-order, if you're going to buy one of these phones, or even if you're not going to pre-order, do click the link below and reserve the product of your choice. By reserving, you are locking in exclusive pre-order perks, which includes a free $30 credit, up to $1,230 in savings, up to $1,200 in trade-in credit, and a chance to win one of their 10 $500 gift cards. If you do end up ordering, you simply benefit. And if you don't, nothing happens. There's no obligation to buy. So links to reserve and lock in the savings are going to be down below. Simply give your name and email and click reserve. Now, talking about the two major upgrades that is coming to these phones, leaker Ice Universe has confirmed multiple times that the crease reduction on the Fold 8 is going to be next level. Now, he did say the same thing about the Fold 7, and he was wrong, as the crease on the Fold 7 is still there. But this time, he appears to be exceptionally confident. So let's hope he's right, as this would be a solid upgrade that people really need to see. Additionally, another upgrade that was mentioned was that the inner display on the Fold 8 Ultra, not the Fold 8 Wide, is going to have the much cherished anti-reflective coating feature that we have on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, which does reduce glare and reflections on bright days. Now, the cover display may or may not get the anti-reflective coating treatment, but the inner display sure will. So these two upgrades, if they are real, will take the display experience to the next level. So that's what we have today. Remember to use the links below to reserve your foldables to lock in these savings. And if you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, do drop them below as well. For now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right?